What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, the very first video of 2020, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to monetize your YouTube videos, because last year I also made a video about this and quite a lot of things have changed, and I just wanted to create an updated version, how to put ads on your videos, how to enable monetization, how to become a YouTube partner, everything like that in 2020. So if you guys are excited, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe for more how-to videos. I would say let's get into monetization right after the intro. Alright everyone, so now that we are on youtube.com/features, there are basically 3 steps we need to complete in order to become a YouTube partner. So right here it says monetization and it is not enabled. Before we're going to actually submit our application, we need to find out if we have enough subscribers and enough watch time hours. So in order to be approved and get considered, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. So in order to check on that, we're going to go to the Analytics tab right here on the left. Then what you want to do is you want to click on watch time, and then we want to figure out how many hours we had the last 12 months. So right now we're going to click on compare metric, and we're going to pick more metrics. So then under the watch time menu, we will click on watch time hours. Okay, so this is what we have in total, but we need to find out how many we have in the last 12 months. So what you want to do then is you want to go to this tab, and you want to pick at the very bottom the last 365 days, the last 12 months. Okay, so as you can see right now we have 0 hours, but that's because I haven't been uploading for this channel over 4 years, so that's obvious that I don't have criteria. So if you have below 4,000 hours, just make sure to keep out cranking content, make longer videos, even live stream eventually to crank up your watch time hours. So once you have 1,000 subscribers and these 4,000 hours, we're gonna go back to youtube.com/features, and we're going to click on enable right here. So then we're gonna land on this studio.youtube.com channel monetization page, and right here it says grow with YouTube. As a YouTube partner, you'll be eligible to earn money from your videos, get creator support, and more. So right now it says 6 subscribers and there's 1,000 needed, and right here I have 4 public watch time hours because this is on a different channel, just to show you what that looks like if you land on this page when you're not eligible. And then it says right here 4,000 needed. So last year you could actually submit your channel when you did not even meet the requirements. So for the sake of getting not like so many applications that will actually be rejected, YouTube will now notify you when you're eligible. That's a really cool thing. So if you're going to click on here, YouTube will actually send you a message through email and on your dashboard on YouTube when you're eligible to apply, as you can see. So once you're eligible and you have applied your application, it can take up to a couple weeks for YouTube to actually review your channel and make sure that it is safe for advertising, that you're not re-uploading somebody else's content and all of that. Okay, so you're eligible right now for monetization, but your application gets rejected. You will get this page where it says account status currently ineligible for monetization. They will also give you the reason why your channel hasn't approved, for example, like reused content. Let's say that's you're uploading somebody else's gameplay, or that you're uploading, clips from Twitch, highlights from somebody's stream. You don't own the rights to it, so it will actually give you right here the reason why your application isn't approved. Reused content. What this means, your channel will no longer earn money from YouTube, including revenue from advertising and so forth, and that's because you actually need to create content that you made yourself, so you actually can earn money off of videos that you own all the rights to. And on top of that as well, guys, in order to get these 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you need to create better videos. Now this is not sponsored at all, this is from a personal experience. You guys have to check out this website that I've been using for almost 2 years now for effects, all of that is created especially for YouTubers just like us. Are you a content creator looking for effects to bring your videos to a whole new level?
Welcome to Production Crate.
Production Crate is the resource for graphics, visual effects, music, and much more. On top of that, these assets are compatible with your editing software. Get your unlimited free effects today or premium effects for only $49 a year. Make it awesome. Alright guys, so when you have 1,000 subscribers, you have 4,000 hours of watch time, you applied for the partnership program and you are approved, you are now officially a YouTube partner. You can now enable ads on your videos, earn money, and I'm going to show you guys right now in step 2 exactly how that works. So right here it says your account is enabled for monetization. You can monetize videos from your video manager. So that's what we're going to do. So right now we are on my YouTube video manager page, and you don't want to pay attention to those green icons because they are already monetized, but I'm going to still show you how to enable it. So when you have your videos right here, you want to click on edit, and then you want to scroll down until you see a monetization. Then we're going to click on that tab, and right here it says monetization status. It will have this green $sign, and then you can just basically check all the ads that will play on your videos, overlay ads, and also the sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. So most of the formats of advertisements that there are on YouTube will play on your videos, and you will actually get the maximum out of your advertisements from your videos. Now guys, I can also recommend that if you have like 500 videos, you're not going to go through all 500 of them like separately. So what you want to do is you want to basically click on this box that will select all this video on your page. But if you want to select all your videos, you want to just basically click on this button. So now all your videos are selected on your entire channel, and then you want to click on add actions, and then you want to basically look for the category monetize. And right now you want to check all 3 of these. Overlay in video ads, which basically means that they're just popping up like at the bottom of the screen. Skippable video ads that will play before your videos, and the sponsored cards. Sponsored cards are shown in the interactivity drawer of your videos. You want to make sure that all 3 of these are checked, and then you want to click on monetize, and I will apply advertisements to all of your videos on your entire channel. Okay guys, so now that the ads are on your videos and everything is right here monetized and green, right now it is actually time to get paid. So let's talk about that in step number 3. Alright guys, so there are basically a couple ways to get paid. Now first of all, you have to keep in mind, if you are with a MCN, a multi-channel network, they will actually manage your payments, and that's why I'm also right here signed with Age Network, and it says can access your account and manage your payments. So you don't have to worry about like the payment settings if you're with a YouTube network, because they will actually like say like how do you want to get paid, like PayPal, through a check through the mail, through bank transfer, to basically any other platform that you like. But if you're just independent without any network, you can basically set it all up in your AdSense account settings. Once you are approved and you're a YouTube partner, you will actually be able to go to youtube.com/features, and then you can also just set up your payment settings in your AdSense account that they will automatically give you. And if you're wondering how many views do you need in order to get paid, well, the threshold is $100 a month before YouTube will actually pay it out. And I would recommend, if you want to generate $100 every single month at least, you would need around 75,000 to 125,000 views. Between that window, you should be safe, and you would actually get $100 generated in ad revenue. Alright guys, so now you know how to find out if you're eligible on YouTube for the partnership program, how to apply for it, and just wait a couple weeks until your application is also approved, and how to place these ads on your videos, and how to get paid, obviously. Before I'm gonna end off the video, I want to answer the biggest question I received out of almost 14,000 comments on my previous video, and that is, what happens if you don't make $100 a month and you don't meet the threshold? What will happen to the, for example, $58 that you made that YouTube is not paying you out? That basically means that your earnings will just roll over to the next month. You don't have to be afraid like, oh, I made $76, I didn't meet the threshold, YouTube is gonna like remove my money from my account. And for example, if you made $76 in January, your revenue counter will just drop from 76 to 0 in February. That does not happen, guys. It will just basically roll over to the next month, and then if you made, for example, $25 the next month, you obviously have generated right now $101, and that basically means that YouTube is gonna pay you. So even if it takes you 4 months to reach $100, it doesn't really matter. YouTube is not gonna take that money away from you. They're gonna just leave it in your account, and they're just gonna wait for you to actually get enough views that will generate generate you more than the threshold so YouTube can actually pay you out. And that is basically how simple it is, and that is how it works. Okay guys, so that is how to do it. This is how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2020. Now if this video went by too fast, make sure to just pause and rewind it, or make sure to leave your questions in the comment section down below. I'll try to answer as many comments as possible about this topic. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys obviously in my next video.